My experience with gum bleaching is I did a lot of research because I had dark discolored gums, which was really bothering me. It really affected I was very self-conscious, especially like when I took pictures or smiled or laughed or even when I talked to people. And not only did it affect my physical appearance, it also affected my self-confidence as well. One night I couldn't sleep. I did some research on the internet because it was really bothering me. I stayed up till about 3 in the morning, I remember, and I did some research regarding gum bleaching and to see if there's a to see if there's a treatment for discoloration. And I came across a website for Dr. Farnoosh, and I was super excited because I couldn't believe that there was an actual treatment for this. So I immediately, the next morning, I woke up, made an appointment for a consultation. I came in, I showed him my discolored gums, which was a little embarrassing, but showed him my discolored gums, and he did the treatment, and it was pretty quick. He did the treatment. I was super excited. They basically turned pink. It was red for a little bit, but they turned pink, and I was super excited about that. The treatment took about less than an hour, maybe about 40-45 minutes, and it was pretty quick. It was red for a few days, and then it eventually changed to pink, and I was surprised how quick it was. It was no pain, no discomfort. I was back to work the next day. Well, let's just say that I love my smile now. It definitely gave me a boost to my confidence. I'm very grateful that I found Dr. Farnoosh. He does magic. Like, seriously, I'm just happy that there's actual treatment for this, and I just can't stop smiling, as you can see. When I came in, I felt very comfortable with everyone. The staff was amazing. I felt very comfortable with the environment, and Dr. Farnoosh was amazing. He's amazing at what he does. Well, it really bothered me because I've done modeling before, and I normally don't smile a lot in the pictures because of that. And I noticed on a headshot with a big smile that it was a great picture. The only thing that bothered me was the dark gums. And yeah, it just made my confidence go down a little bit. It really affected my self-esteem, and I wanted to do something about it. And I did, and it was the best investment I could have made. I would suggest to do something about it because it would change their life. It would change the way they walk, the way they talk, just the way they carry themselves. It will definitely be a great impact in their life, I would say.